But I make stories. I make interesting stories. Now I make it a point to read a story in a day, which I can exaggerate and tell them. Okay. And that's it. Then I sort of work out a little.
Oh, that's when you work out. Yeah. Okay, we'll take a break. He works out a little, goes to the party he hates, and then he comes back and then...
Inside the parties. You don't? Yeah, I get very shy.
You don't eat at all?
Outside I don't eat because, you know, every time you eat outside in a party, then you get a picture in the papers like...
Okay, we'll come back in just a moment after this short break. See you then. Welcome back to this very special edition of India Questions with Shah Rukh Khan. This is the last section, Shah Rukh Life at Night. But first, let's get this young gentleman in... Oh, the young lady here. Go ahead.
You are one of those actors who has balanced his life as professional and family. How do you do that?
Sometimes I feel strange that people talk about it in a special way. Oh, you take out time for your family. Everybody does. Oh, you love your family. Everybody does. Oh, you're a good father. Everybody is. But I think just because it is talked about a little more, and there was an assumption, which is now clearing away, in the minds of people, that people in the film industry are a little more flippant and frivolous and not really, not very many people wanted to be film actors. You know, there was I've heard Mr. Bachchan also say a couple of times कि एक ज़माना था कि लोग चाहते नहीं थे कि उनके बच्चे फिल्मों में काम करें. I think that time has changed now. And with that change in time, the reason for that change is that people are spending time with their family. They are doing films. They're decent, educated lot, and it's a great profession to be in. Everybody in personal life has not succeeded in any profession. It's just that you get to hear more about the profession. See, you have even now news channels having the last 4.5 minutes dedicated to Bollywood. Okay, let's talk about whose marriage has broken up now, which is really nice. But, you know, in other lives also, I mean, if you really sit down and look at 1 billion people or the whole world, relationships go sour, they go wrong, they go right, they have problems. But you just get to, I mean, it's no fun knowing about Mr. Khanna and Mrs. Chopra.
That's quite good fun.
I mean, yeah, I mean, unless it's about Mrs. Yash Chopra and Mr. Rajesh Khanna, it's no fun.
Right. But bringing these two together, you said it's getting more professional, educated, etc. And family life is possible now. Is it now a trend that women can get married and stay on in the movies? Because that used to be a complete no-no. Why has that changed?
I think, yes. I mean, if you see, case in point, I've heard Madhuri is coming back and going to do a film. Juhi has been working consistently for the last 5 years. Kajol has been working after marriage and working at a very nice status. It's not that, you know, they're not doing some good work. Yes, of course, you know, post-marriage, one is assuming one gets married at a certain age, you get older, so you have to do roles which suit you. You cannot be doing certain...
But that wasn't there was a kind of taboo earlier,
now
right?
Is, I mean,
why was the taboo earlier?
I think because, you know, somewhere down the line, the fact was that...
so a bit dicey, that's sort of...
Yeah, you know, people said, ki, Are, shaadi ho gaya, to log... You know, there were very simplistic viewpoints. I remember when I joined the film industry, I was told I was getting married. And my producer said कि अरे फिर तो हम आपके साथ पिक्चर नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि romantic hero शादीशुदा नहीं चलता.
अच्छा.
And somebody gave me a figure that which was wrong, and that's why I can say it. Mr. Rishi Kapoor की 17% audience drop हो गया था शादी के बाद. So I'm like, I'm really sorry, but listen, I'm not gonna hold back. I'm getting married. I mean, the girl is ready, dude. We can't just suddenly not do this. So I think that all is changing because people realize those 17% drops were never there. It was just some guy. Now you know actually that there is no drop. The drop and raise is only because of the work. You know,
of the work, yeah.
There's a lot of appreciation on it.
This young guy in the yellow shirt.
Are you looking forward to direct a movie in the future?
Yes, I would like to. I think that would be the ultimate thing I'd like to do. But it's a very lonely job. And I'd like to do it at a later stage of my life.
So many hands up. Okay. You want to ask a question? Okay. Last row, right, extreme right. Yeah. Go ahead.
If you would have been in Pranay Roy's place, Mr. Pranay Roy's place, and he would have been Shah Rukh, how you would have introduced Shah Rukh Khan? I just want to
Muh mein ghee shakkar, isn't that what they say?
Yeah.
I would tell him to dance on Khai Ke Paan Banaras Wala.
Well, that's going to happen. Right. Okay, before we do that, last question from the lady in front of you in the pink shirt. Yeah.
How do you rate yourself?
About 4.5. Myself? 4.5. I mean, because I'm modest and sweet.
You,
Otherwise,
you would rate yourself as 4.5 as an actor?
yeah. I
That's
think there's
being-
long way to go for me to.
They say modesty is the facade with which mediocrity impersonates genuine excellence.
Everyone understood that?
Okay, what did he say I should ask him to do? Yeah. Right, and who wants to dance and learn from him? But you got to be able to look happy, right? You come, right? You come. And, okay, you come because you haven't asked a question. And one from that side. You want to dance? Come. Okay, let's have the music.
खाई के पान बनारस वाला खुल जाए बंद अकल